Well, the doghouse is off of the van. Actually, the doghouse is out there. If any of you own a 89 to 92 or 85 to 92 or whatever version of van you have, Astro van, that's what it looks like when the doghouse is off. And if you find that there's water leaking from the very back of the engine, not the front, but the back, there's a fitting that's made out of pot metal. And pot metal's probably the worst goddamn thing I could imagine making a hose fitting out of. The problem that I'm having is a heater hose. The heater hose is actually leaking. So I lose I lose the entire radiator, everything that's in the radiator. Whenever I go for a drive, I lose all the water. And it's coming from right down there. Actually, I haven't found any videos or haven't really found that much information in general about, you look up heater hose fitting and you just can't find anything about it except for, some forums that are somewhat helpful. But if you try to take that thing off, it ends up breaking right off. Then you have to take a hacksaw blade and cut the edges off and then clean out all the threads that it threads into. And it's a real pain in the ass. And I'm not going to do it today because I'm done. Probably take a couple hours, 2 or 3 hours just to finish that. So, this has been I guess it's been a van vlog. I'm in the van. And that's all I have to say to you. So, catch y'all later. Hope this helps someone.